If you've been stuck on the side of the road because your battery is flat, it's an unpleasant experience, especially on a cold winter day. Lord. And that's why you want to invest ahead in one of these 7-amp battery charger. It is simple to operate. All you need is a wall socket. Connect the orange cable to the positive terminal of your battery and the black cable to the negative terminal of your battery. And plug the power cable to your wall socket. And the LCD should display the current charging current, which is 6.8 in my case. That's not so far away from the promised 7 amp. And it's going to display the current voltage of your dead battery and the temperature as well. Then you're going to have these 5 bars rising up and down, indicating the current charging status of your battery, with each bar representing 20%. And once connected, the unit defaults to regular charging. And so you're going to want to toggle on the mode button to switch to repair mode, as we're dealing with a completely flat battery here. And once in repair mode, now you can get this pulsing sound like kind of like an heart rate monitor. The unit has an integrated fan on the side to prevent overheating. So here we're repairing a 60-amp battery, and it only took the unit 16 hours to get it all fully charged. And when it's all said and done, it displays end, and the bars on the right side of the screen also displays 100%. And now all you gotta do is disconnect all the cables in reverse order, meaning starting with the negative cable, the red cable, and the power cable. Time will tell how the unit performs in the long run. For now, my only pet peeve is it came with this extremely short power cable. And that's why you see me stack up bricks in order to be able to reach the mains. And for the unit itself, pretty basic design. Yes, it's LCD screen and a fan on the side just in case the unit overheats. And yeah, that's about it. Pick the charger up on Amazon to support the channel, and that little gesture helped me pump out more videos for your entertainment. I'm Sir K saying adios, and I'll catch you in the next one.